Hey beautiful people! You know I have spent 2 months in Thailand, Bangkok, so I can learn the art of Thai cuisine. Anyways, today I am going to teach you the globally famous Thai green chicken curry. I am going to teach you the authentic way of making a green curry paste from scratch and as well the entire recipe. Let's start making this beautiful Thai dish. I know using a mortar and pestle is a labor work. But as you know, good things take time. First of all, we're gonna add the dried spices, the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds. We're gonna pound until they're properly powdered. Next, we're gonna add the finely chopped lemongrass, the finely chopped red onion, the finely chopped galangal, the garlic, and the coriander roots. By the way, if you think this is too much work for you, you can always use a food processor. This is the time where we're gonna add the finely chopped green chili, the finely chopped kaffir lime. Then again, as usual, we're gonna pound and pound until everything is properly combined. So we're almost done. This is where we're gonna add the shrimp paste, the turmeric powder. And here we are, we're almost finished with the green curry paste. As you can see, everything is well incorporated. The color looks beautiful. And trust me, lovely people, this is the way how to make a proper, authentic curry paste. The paste basically can last for several months in the refrigerator if you stir fry it in oil at first. Oh my goodness, beautiful people, there's nothing more beautiful than cooking your own dishes, right? What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know. So this is the time where we're gonna start making the famous green curry with the chicken. So in a wok, we're gonna add a non-flavored oil basically. So you can use the soya oil, for example. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of green curry paste. We're gonna stir it until softened and you start smelling those beautiful aromas. This is where we're gonna add the coconut cream. And then again, we're gonna stir the entire combination. And basically, we are looking until the fat separates and rise to the top, as you can see in front of you. Now, this is the time where we're gonna add the diced chicken. Then again, we're gonna stir. Now, we're gonna add the lime leaf, palm sugar, the fish sauce. Again, we're gonna stir and mix. This is the time where we're gonna add the coconut milk. Again, we're gonna stir and mix. Then we're gonna finalize it with the pea eggplant and the Thai basil leaves. And then we're gonna simmer and then we're gonna mix everything together. Wonderful people, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you very soon with the new vlog, new recipe. Everything really depends. And by the way, if you have anything in mind you would like me to do, please leave me a comment and let me know. We'll see you very soon. Ciao!